Could I pet your dog?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Is he a good boy?
Oh,
Good girl?
Yeah.
Good girl.
Yeah?
Oh, she's got a bow.
Oh.
Hi.
Set my heart
So how'd you find out about the Belmont?
My dad.
Really?
You were working. This is where I worked for years.
Huh. I'm a little hungry.
Do you want to do outside or inside?
Inside.
Inside.
Sure.
Go right this way here.
You guys too. Thank you. Hey. Two? I get two? Well, thank you. Bye. Have a good day. What is up, YouTube? It's another beautiful morning, and it's going to be a hot one out there today. I think our high today is going to be like 102, so we're going to be cooking it a little bit as we go. Off to a little bit of a weird start this morning. The kid, he goes to camp this morning, so Mom headed out the door with him bright and early, and I just kind of rolled out of bed a little bit ago, and just kind of still in weekend mode. I'm not sure if I'm fully here today, but we'll see where I end up. I really need to get in some routine in the morning where I have my Keurig making coffee for me by the time that I get up. Okay, we're going south. Some older roads. I'm thinking 60s. I decided to take a little break today. I'm in the middle of the day, and you know, make a little bit of content, see what we got going on. I definitely did not have my head in the game this morning, and I apologize. I got just a little bit going on, just I don't know what's the best way to be descriptive but not descriptive about it. But I've got some family members that are in the hospital, or they were this morning, and I went to bed pretty late last night, later than I was supposed to. You know, you mix all that with a Monday morning, and you just really could end up not on your game, right? You're shifting focus from your weekend, which I had a decently busy weekend, and you're shifting your focus back into your work week. You're trying to get your headspace right, you know, getting into that, you know, I got responsibilities, I got a task list, I got things, I got emails. And so to see a text message this morning, you know, I try not to get bothered by too much, but when it's someone who's really important to me in my life, just an integral part of my life, that one kind of got to me just a little bit. Stresses me out just enough that it impacted my focus this morning, and shoot, I almost drove the bike into the back of a van. I mean, I'll grab that footage for you later. I reviewed it, and you literally just see me completely zoned out and then snap back into it. You can see the moment that I kind of come back, you know, back to reality and grab my clutch and my brakes. So you always gotta keep your head in the game. If you're out here riding, you need to be staying alert, because it's the only way you're going to stay alive. Turn off all those outside influences, whether you're inside your vehicle as a car, or you're sitting on top of a motorcycle. You know, it doesn't matter what you're in or what you're on. For that period of time, you need to be focusing on the road, and just kind of shut everything else out. You know, that's how people get hurt, and that's how things can really escalate if you're not paying attention. So I just wanted to apologize, because this morning my head was not in the game. So I figured, you know, why not take some time to reset, get away from the keyboard, kind of warm up. My office is always super cold, and so it's nice to be able to come out. Today is definitely going to be a warmer day today out here. I can feel it. The high today is supposed to be 100 and something degrees, so I definitely feel it on me. That's the perks of being part lizard, is I just soak it all up, and I get reactivated and rejuvenated. It's part of that dinosaur DNA.